Brio Elevators.
Hi, this is Rama Linga Reddy.
Yeah. So మీరు Brio Elevators ని ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారు?
Brio Elevator ni first Ibrahim ద్వారా I met it. Later on we met with discussed it with Venkatesh.
Yeah.
It was a startup by that time with Venkatesh. He explained me about everything, both of them, about the way how you do a single phase lifts, home lifts, differences between a commercial lift and say home lifts. I was quite impressed with the subject of the Venkatesh and Ibrahim.
Okay.
To start with, I had a problem with trust issues because you are the startup and I have to pay such a huge amounts. I don't know you, you know me and I don't know your whereabouts.
Yeah.
Later on, Venkatesh convinced me about his work ability and we moved on. We trusted him and we moved on with him. Brio has stood for its words. Brio stood for its words. Venkatesh is a nice guy, very sweet person. Done his job.
ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అప్పుడు ఏదైనా
ఏం లేదు సార్, ఎక్కడే కానీ ఏం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేదు. ఇంకొక అబ్బాయి ఆఫాష్ అనే అతను, ఆఫాష్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాన్ హూ ఇస్ ద సర్వీస్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ఇట్ సీమ్స్. Yes, very sweet guy. Whenever there was any issue, he moved on immediately, responded very promptly, mobilized his team each and every time. మాదే కొంచెం లేట్ అవుతా ఉన్నా కానీ మీరు సర్దుకొని వచ్చి చేసుకునేది. I was very happy with the way how it was being installed.
సార్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది సార్ మా సైడ్ నుంచి మీకు కాల్ చేసినా కానీ?
గుడ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ రెస్పాన్స్, ప్రాంప్ట్ ఆన్సరింగ్ కూడా ఊరికే చూస్తాం పెడతాం అనేది కాకుండా ఇమీడియట్గా రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది.
సో ఫైనల్లీ హౌ యూ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ విత్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్?
It is good, absolutely. This is the fourth lift which we are having.
Okay.
In our entire assets.
Okay.
This is the first home lift and it is very cute so far. Let us see how it works in future.
Yeah.
In future.
Thank you.
And I expect the same service response from the team.